good morning everyone. I'm here now in Fishport Tuna Capital here in Jensen. So followers, friends, I am very sorry that the management will refuse me to dance here inside. This is bawal siya. I'm sorry friend, my followers, request not granted. I asked the management and staff inside. So sa gawas lang ko magsayaw-sayaw katong naay tuna logo ingon sa management kay bawal daw diri sa sulod. So sorry for disappointment followers. Thank you for watching here in Fishport, General Santos City. Wow. Oh, here I'm already here but hindi po ako nakapagsayaw. So okay lang, sa gawas lang ko magsayaw. Bye bye.